Is it your first train journey?
Yeah, in Canada.
How many years has it been?
It gives me more of Delhi Metro, but with a different city.
No, mom.
You said Switzerland.
You could have said Europe.
This is how I look. I don't know if you can see my outfit. It's like
Please stand by for the doors. We're just repositioning the train.
This Queen's
Hi. So we just reached Union and now we are walking to Eton. अभी ऐसे मैप्स पे चेक किया तो Eton is like 15 minutes की walk and 16 or 17 minutes by car. So that's literally downtown for you. It's like more traffic than you can.
मैं कार ही लूँगी.
ले लो कार में, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. But yeah, I'll also, if we cross my office, I'll even show you my office building.
I remember जब हम 14 में आए थे. I remember this building में यहाँ से अंदर से आए थे. यहाँ से ना Rogers Center.
So let's do a outfit check. So this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing a crop top, a jacket and blue jeans and then boots because it's raining. And anyways, let's go.
She wants to transform your channel to a family channel.
Yeah, exactly.
That's what she
Mama
wants
का
to do.
literally वही कि family channel बनाना है मुझे. So this is my makeup. I wanted to keep it minimal, and I think I did a pretty good job today. I even shot this, like I recorded this for Instagram. At this point, I feel like मैं बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे कैमरा पे रहने लगी हूँ, and although I'm getting comfortable with it, but I'm still not used to filming in public. जैसे there are people like roaming मेरे आसपास, and I don't have a habit of walking with a camera like this. Like अभी mom and my sisters with me. That is why I'm doing it so freely. But when I'm alone, there is no way I want that attention on me. Like 650 meters away.
Was that BMO?
Just look at the traffic. Like it's so much. मतलब जब तक हम ईटन पहुँचेंगे तब तक ये गाड़ियाँ भी यहीं रहेंगी. 3 guys. This is our sign कि हमें लेटर भागना है because 6 घंटे ही है बस हमारे पास. And that's less for shopping. We are here. How do you feel? I think मैं और मम्मा आज पहली बार शॉपिंग आए साथ में, like अलग से.
No, it's after long, not very long.
No, like to Eton. Eton we have never been together. Other places I think we have, like Square One and stuff we go a lot.
Yeah.
And आज का agenda is like Papa की shopping.
Before we shop,
We have to get him a
I need to eat
nice.
something. I'm hungry.
इस बार
It's a good feeling actually. From asking you, okay, what do you want to eat? You asking me, okay, Mama, what do you want to eat? You're taking me to places. It's definitely a very nice feeling. Yeah.
but हाँ आज का focus we have to get gifts for Papa. It's like we were obviously gonna get him something, but it's the first time he asked
कुछ
us.
नहीं ले रही.
Sure. It's the first time he asked us something that you get me. I don't want
Get
one
me
thing.
gifts.
He's like, I don't want one thing. I need 3 things this time because we're 3
We
girls.
can take North Face.
So we have a challenge now. Let's see. Hi. Can I have one Hakka garlic noodles? You can make it chicken. Sorry? Beet noodles would be good. Beet noodles. And what's the portion like? Oh, okay, perfect. Excuse me, can we have 3 fortune cookies too?
Thank you.
That will be fun to open. I used to get fortune cookies like a lot in Gurgaon. We are going to McD for the baby. What do you have at McD?
Basic. I'm very basic. I'll have mac chicken and it'll have fries and then like a ton of ketchup.
ये ना स्टार्टिंग में ऐसे छोटी छोटी चीज़ें मांगती है, फिर ऐसे बड़ा हाथ मारेगी. ओ मुनमुन दीदी बबल टी दे दो. She is not gonna get it.
Pay here.
Yeah.
You want milk?
How will you be paying?
Money, please.
So we ordered the Hakka noodles, chicken Hakka noodles, and Ahana ordered McD as I showed you already.
Is that Mama Coco?
I don't know, yeah, it's chili oil, but I'll put it now. I got fortune cookies also. We'll open them in the end.
तो इसमें क्या होगा?
So they have like messages that's like your fortune sort of thing. These folks are so weak. I'm gone for wheat noodles, so it's healthy. Cheers, guys. Hey, mommy. How are you liking your meal?
It's nice, hot and fresh, and I love the burnt garlic flavor. अच्छा हो गया दाल कैसा रहा? Is it on?
No. Yeah, I do actually. So I got that you have a basic need of solitude some of the time.
You are headed in the right direction.
You will soon receive an unusual
Proposition. When I was in Gurgaon, right? So there was this place like 10-15 minutes from my house. It was Supermart. जहाँ पे हम लोग ऐसे जाते थे. There's this restaurant called Oriental Fusion. Guys, वहाँ का एक तो खाना was like OG, and I've had some great times there in that restaurant too. So वहाँ पे I used to order like fortune cookies, and so many times like even like basically I used to go there when I wanted like hot soup, right? Because winter time था, and a lot of times I was sick also because hot time तो मैं बीमारी होती थी. But a lot of times when I was like very distressed, I used to like put all my decisions on fortune cookies. And इतनी बार ऐसे वो आया है कि you know you might do this, you might do that, or whatever. And most of the time, I did go with my gut. I don't know if it worked for me later on. I don't think it did, but I did go with my gut and proceeded to do things in a certain way. एक तो ये था like this was one thing of me putting things on my fortune. Second, in Galleria in Gurgaon, there's this bookstore called the Blue Tokai bookstore upstairs. So वहाँ पे मैं जाती थी, and in that bookstore there's a book, right? Like एक book है that's called नहीं, so it's called The Book of Answers. ठीक है? So it's like a huge like इतनी मोटी book होती थी वो, ठीक है? तो मैं जब I used to think of a person. So for example, if I'm going through something, a lot of time ऐसा होता था कि office के बाद मैं Galleria रहती because it used to come on the way. So many times I was distressed about work, or like say, am I getting promoted? Am I doing well in whatever, or choosing destination? Even जब Canada आने का बन रहा था ना, I literally went to that Galleria. So Book of Answers में ना सिर्फ answers होते हैं, like no questions, just answers.
You have questions.
So you
in your
have
mind?
to think of a question in your head and just open a page.
Randomly. Like one page, one answer?
One page, one answer.
Okay.
So इतनी बार मैंने वो भी ऐसे अपने लक पे छोड़ा था कि मैं हमेशा से चाहते ऐसे
वो
डार्क
अंग्रेजों की लाल किताब ही हो गई.
I don't know what लाल किताब है actually.
मैं check करती
Touching up my lipstick.
हूँ. आपका?
Please यार. So now we are going to get clothes for dad. Like we have to focus now because that other time nahi hai हमारे पास, and it will take a long time because हम लड़के हैं and I don't know what guys want. What do guys want? Our first stop is Hollister. और वो है मम्मा लेडी सेक्शन में घुसती हुई. Clearly her priorities are different.
हाँ वो तो अलग है, but मुझे ये भी अच्छी लगी.
Actually I'm avoiding blacks because he already has a lot of blacks. मम्मा का फोकस बार बार चेंज हो रहा है. We are going here. This is one of my favorite stores in Canada. I hope that we find something. I like. It's like such a nice summer dress. I can take it for my birthday. I know Papa का birthday next month. Let's flowy also. Guys, हम थोड़ा भटक गए थे वहाँ पे. Clearly, I started doing my birthday shopping, but I liked a dress which I showed you. मतलब वैसे दिख नहीं रही अच्छे से, but it was like a really nice flowy summer dress, and I wanted to wear that, like you know, on my birthday daytime. But it was too expensive. It was like $150–160. And I don't think I want to spend that kind of money on like one dress, which I'll wear once maybe. So yeah, I think I'll go for some other alternatives later, but I skipped it. But the thing with me, okay, is that whenever I go for shopping, I keep things in mind, so I know. So when I go home, I'll keep on looking on that website. I'll go on that website again and I'll keep on looking and then contemplating. High chances that I might end up buying it also, but I will never buy it on the spot. So yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Is this a like jumpsuit?
Yeah.
Trying this, but this pant I like, but reject because it's too long for me. It's okay. Yeah, watching. It's been 2 hours. We didn't find anything. So अब हम Zara जा रहे हैं. I don't usually get anything for men in Zara. But yeah, let's see if we find something now. Anna, what did you do?
You wouldn't get the, I wouldn't get the
I
size out.
ketchup packet for diya.
Bhai, just look at this, what she did to my jacket. And look at what she did to herself. और एक जगह बैठते नहीं है इस लड़की के. और मुझे बाथरूम समझ नहीं आ रहा कहाँ पे है. मेरा शायद निकल जाए, लगता है ऐसे है. Yeah, it's almost done. No?
I think so.
Who cleaned it?
Manu!
As an email as well. How would you like to pay today?
I'll pay by card. Yeah, I think it's done. I think the tap was not there for like the higher payments. That's why it rejected
It's
initially.
usually for more than $250 from our side. It must be from your
हो
card.
गया. I think it's done now.
Okay, perfect.
Thank you so much. Is the bill sent on the?
Yeah, it will be on your app only.
Okay. Thank you
Under
so much.
Insta.
So we got 3 things from Zara, and मतलब तो ideally we have already met the target, but we liked one more thing at Levi's, so we'll go back there and we'll get something else too. बाकी वो जो पूरा ketchup का incident हुआ, like on camera I was like damn chill about it, but if mom wasn't there I would have lost my temper. So Anna, would you like to introduce yourself, like who you are? People want to know who you are.
I'm a troublemaker.
She's like, I'm 11 years older to her. She's my Masi's little
10.
daughter. 11. You're 2012 born.
There are 5 days.
That still makes it 11.
Okay, yeah, fine.
11 and a half actually, but anyways. So that is the biggest thing. And bhai, I yell at her so much. Like, I think she's like getting scoldings from me half the time. Anna, do you want to say? कितना डांटती है मुनमुन दीदी?
हाँ?
कितना डांटती है मुनमुन दीदी?
बहुत बिल्कुल भी नहीं. बहुत प्यार करती है मुझे.
Stop with that accent, I swear to God. Be honest.
Yeah, she scolds me like 55% of the time.
And 45% of the time?
She loves me and pampers me a lot.
I'm still not gonna get her boba tea today. Like she's been like trying to flatter me since morning. Guys, you want me to show you something?
मैं भी नहीं बोलते 40-45.
किससे बात करिए, guess करो.
नमस्ते बुआ जी.
मासी से बात करिए फिर से. Like no chill. मेरा कार्ड तो बोलेगी. नहीं होगा. Oh, I think मैं फोन से कर सकती हूँ. Now we came to Levi's and we got him a t-shirt. So it's like light pink. Pink तो नहीं है ये. It's like I don't know which color this is. मेरे लिए तो pink हो. He has so many black t-shirts on.
But इसका थोड़ा स्टाइल अलग है.
नहीं. He has a lot of black t-shirts. Also we will do quiz then if how we like it or not. Must take your phone. See, I told you won't like it. मेरी कोई बात ही नहीं मानी. Hello, hi. This one t-shirt. And how is the return period usually? Like
30 days for
30 days.
exchange order.
Okay.
As long as you have the tag on the shirt and your receipt.
Sure. Like, do you email the receipt as well, or no?
I can
it's
do
just,
email.
Yeah, just do email. Yeah, because it's really hard to keep track of bills anyway.
No
so.
worries.
Yeah.
I bought a bottle of water and I got the bottle of water and it was cold bottle of water. So I went to some Thai restaurant and I got a warm bottle of water.
Why do you get warm water?
Yeah.
Was this McD bill for?
हाँ?
ये McD bill किसका है?
इससे कहा है पानी का. मैंने पहले वहाँ से लाया, then I got it like refunded it.
Oh, okay. You refund how?
Tap again. Then refunded it. don't know. I did.
Okay. Now Hudson Bay. And do you want to go for dinner? So boring. I would have never gone. Let's go drinking. Coffee? Sure. ये लोग सोच सकते हैं. I don't know what to say now. The shopping was done whatsoever. फिर क्या हुआ? But yeah, उसके बाद we ran to get we changed our plan. We had to go to another store, but then we didn't feel like, so we came back and we are on the go now. So हो गया अब दिन खत्म. अब घर जाके I will do a final update. I've not even done the intro. Yeah, you will go. I've not even done the intro of this video. I think I will do it now. We are near the exit of the bus area. On the map you were showing that you're too far. Huh? Hi, how are you? Mama, so we are back home. Finally, I'm so tired and I just want to go back to my bed and edit my video. We are back home and basically अभी तक like when I came back home I spoke to Deva, showed her the things and even बहुत खांसी हो गया फिर से मुझे तो मुझे अब दवाई खानी है. But anyways, I just quickly wanted to take this space to show you what all we got. We got 4 items. We won today. I think he will be happy. Yeah, in 7 hours. But that's okay, I think, because we even walked a lot of stores. Yeah. So, the first thing I got is this pink t-shirt. I think I showed it to you also. It's like this. And all of them are Jen shopping, by the way, so don't think that, you know, abhi tak aisa aega. Did you like switch on the light? But so this is like a pink t-shirt. Ye kaun sa color hai mama? Rust pink?
This is dull pink.
Yeah, like a dull pink color. This is a t-shirt.
Apt for man.
So we got this as one thing. The second thing we got is this sweater. Yeah, it's like a basic sweater sort of a thing. This also we got. And oh, this is my favorite item of the day, and this is something that I've never seen him wear, so I'm like really excited for him to see. Like, so this is one shirt which he got, and this is like, you know, like if you notice it really, it's like woven. So yeah, it's basically not like a cotton shirt or anything. And then the last thing I got him is this jacket. So wait, yeah. So this jacket is like really nice. It even looked very good on me, so I can also wear this. What? I can wear it. So yeah. Anyways, so yeah, this was our day today, and I hope that you had fun with us today. And उसके अलावा outro में क्या बोलते हैं guys? Like, shares.
मैं बोलूँगी.
Okay, ठीक है. चलो, anyways, but I hope you liked today's vlog, and I am improving slowly every day. So just keep supporting, keep showing your love, and as mom says, please.
Yes, guys, she's really working hard to you know, go through this phase, and she has just started. Just support her. So like, share, subscribe,
and comment.
See you soon.
And comment.
And comments.
Guys,
nice comments for me as
मम्मी
well.
पढ़ती रहती है सारे
मैं तो
comments.
सारे comments पढ़ती हूँ.
So yeah, that's it. Like, share, subscribe, comment, and okay, bye.